Let's pick a video document. I will be going for YouTube video. Now let's import the video we want to be the background. I'll go over to my upload and to my videos here. I'm just going to drag it and drop it in the timeline here. So this is the video I want to be the background. To lay video on top of this video, I'm just going to tap on this video here. You will click on these 3 dots and you will see show timing. My timing is already showing. Since my timing is already showing, I just wanted to show you that you just toggle on the show time. When you click on, if I click on high timing, it's going to high timing, but let's go back and I'll click on show timing. It has brought up the timing, so I'm just going to hold this video. What Canva does is that it takes up the whole space of your background video. If you just want it to be part of your video that has this video you placed on top of the video, you're going to use this timing to crop where you want the video to be. So if I crop it to be at the middle, so you see when I play this video, you see when that showed up, you see that. And if I want to take this video to any parts of the background video I want it to be, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.